Alito. So today I want to teach you guys another phrase. Before I get into that, I know a lot of you probably been wondering, where have you been? That's a really good question. Short answer is I've been busy. I've been dealing with a lot of things, a lot of personal things, and so I've been taking care of that and trying to get my mental space back into where it needs to be. Because I do enjoy making videos for you guys, and I do apologize for not making one for quite a while. Um, but I'm getting back on track and things are going well. And so that phrase that I was going to teach you is Katima Ishahantana Himaka. Katima Ishahantana Himaka. So basically, this question is asking, where have you been? Where have you been? So the next time you see someone that you haven't seen in a while, say this phrase Katima Ishahantana Himaka.